Ghana chiro. Lawyer Atta Akyea and go representing the client no. Atta Akyea on the judiciary could break into enya de obeye. No kan no and a Chief Justice Muya abeman answer. Semasa. The law is the law. Go back to court and could defend your client.
To write to the Chief Justice to say that the cases should not be adjourned to the vacation. So I am not coming. I have already made agreements outside, so I'm not coming. You are a lawyer. You have your clients. If your clients decide to leave, well, go on leave. But you cannot say that there's a legal vacation and the judge who is actually sitting cannot do your case. No, that's not it. And then adjournments are not at the instance of the Chief Justice. An adjournment is a judicial act. This is something that is so basic that sometimes when people write that I got a letter saying that I should withdraw the directive and also direct that the cases should be heard in the third time. I said, you went to court and the judge decided she was granting you.
Well, the Chief Justice Atta Akyea should go back to the court. Now, because the judiciary will break her, and your lawyer na waka. Your duty is to defend your clients at any given time. Court be you have to go there. But lawyer Atta Akyea and NPP starting to believe or behave as if they Ghana court on and what they want is what the court needs to do. That be I don't see any sir. And then the whole GBA Ghana Bar Association is supporting Atta Akyea. Say a court judiciary could break it, then the lawyers are also entitled to go and break. It doesn't work like that. But how they may be on this show, I always want to bring you the evidences for you to see. Then Chief Justice can say, Deputy Attorney General so they need the no explanation on them.
No genuine or real controversy here. The matter is simple. It's been the case that vacation courts are always sitting whenever there is a legal vacation. No one can dispute that simple fact. They claim that it is the lawyers who decide whether they want to have a proceedings in vacation. Is not founded on any fact, it's not founded on any law, it's not founded on reason, and it is not founded by any rule of practice. Lawyers, nowhere in the world do you see lawyers deciding when a court should sit. What matters is that the head of the judiciary has given warrants for a number of judges, I think 10 or more judges, to sit across the country to take care of cases. Now this is a thing. A vacation judge has his or her own courts to administer. Okay. Now when the vacation is over, he is also entitled to go on vacation. That is after October. Now if you make the argument, as the GBA president is making, that a vacation judge is not required to, or cannot hear cases or conduct trial, then when the vacation is over and he goes on vacation, no other judge can have trial. So basically what the GBA is saying is that for cases that are pending in the courts that have vacation judges, those cases can only conduct trials in January next year. Because in October, when the courts return, these judges who are sitting on vacation would also go on vacation, and no judge can conduct their trial for them. And then after October, November comes the December vacation, which takes us to January, first, second week in January. So you will see that apart from the fact that there is no practice backing what the GBA is saying, it's not supported by law, by any rule of practice. And again, it's also supported by reason that would be positive or advance the cause of justice. So for us, it is a self-imposed understanding of the law, which we do not think should be allowed to prevail. And as the judge said, the vacation is, he has the warrant to hear the case and sit in vacation. And if you don't come, he will treat it as if you are not interested in legal representation. and has given directive to the clients to advise themselves. If their lawyers decide that they won't practice, no one can stop them, but he has a case to defend. If on the next agenda date he does not produce, I think the judge has given them 1 week. If they do not produce a lawyer, then they will have to conduct the cross-examination by themselves.
Deputy, so it basically, in simple terms, you mean that the GBA got it wrong in their statement?
Completely wrong. Completely.
Well, completely wrong. Lawyer Atta Akyea represented Kwabena Dubois on a criminal matter. Ye di asem na Atta Akyea say judiciary could break into on so could break into on. Lawyer Atta Akyea, lawyer no representing the client, exactly the same thing he did to Chamaun to me. A day ne did Chamaun to me judgment be bano. Atta Akyea so no kwa neba graduation in UK. And the same way Atta Akyea say on there si court order. Adanya judiciary could break. Next na Attorney General and Chief Justice say now who ye lawyer ye de mmara achi ubi about court on criminal grounds and a nipa no mo be high war services. Is it the lawyer's duty to tell the whole Attorney General and the Chief Justice say, me me cope holiday and me my court? What matter client in there, we don't care. Now unim, yachi lawyer Atta Akyea beside the question say, lawyer and papa be adie, senka our client in yasemo quarter. Who what jumane say? Who be defend your client in a criminal charge in a fee? So why are you delaying the process? TNC Moka.
Why are you not in a hurry to clear your client's name?
Who tells you I'm not in a hurry to clear my
Well,
client's
you've been
name?
given an
Is it
opportunity
not
to work during this
that the whole
period.
year I've been working?
Say that
Has it
again.
not told you that the whole year, when was the time that I said I won't come to court? And you believe that I shouldn't have my vacation as the CJ is having his vacation? What is the meaning of legal vacation? If you want to go and read the law, go and pay regard to Order 79. And Order 79 decrees legal vacation. What is the meaning of legal vacation? When a studio is on vacation and you say that, oh, there are some special cases that they should come in here, you should justify it. What is special between what a murder case and Kwabena Dubois' case? Why are the murder cases not being heard?
What will be justification enough?
What will be justification enough? Somebody's pleasure, unquestionable pleasure, a fetish of a pleasure, that these are special cases by my own thinking. The rest of them, they don't matter. You think we can't question discretionary powers, administrative decisions? They are all embedded in the Constitution. Yeah. What are you feeding the public? Why? Why are we in an ambulance mood to try these cases? The rest of them don't matter. What is the point of the matter? That lawyers should not rest because to the mind of the CJ, these are special cases that should be heard. What is the point of that? I don't understand that.
The judge says in 6 days you should be in court or Kwabena Dubois without legal representation will represent himself. Do you plan to go to court on August 17th?
I'm not going to court at all. But what is informing that? Why should a judge in a very technical case of this nature that a man's lawyer is on vacation and the judge is saying that if your lawyer doesn't come, go and find another lawyer. But he's saying that you come and stand there and cross-examine. How can a lay person, cross-examine in such a matter? You are asking a carpenter to go and do a surgery.
Then go to court.
It's not. Sorry?
Then go to court.
For what? For what? Why should I go to court? What is the meaning of legal vacation? What is special about this case? Some of these things you are failing to answer. And I know they can't answer. What is special about these cases? When we try these cases in the vacation, the inflation of Ghana will go down. What are we saying? What is the emergency about these cases?
You see, lawyer Atta Akyea is trying to twist the whole issue. Lawyer no represent you know. Order 79 and lawyer Atta Akyea I've made the exact wording of Order 79 okay Order 79 one one there twice no ho. Me the one not to screen so Order 79 of the High Court Civil Procedure Rules and they say 79 1 say can sitting as if you say no be as if you say sitting office hours and vacation as the days and hours of sitting and only my can rule 1 and the area me the rule 1 2 na so one subject to the Court Act 1993 Act 459 as amended, the Chief Justice may appoint any other the chief justice may appoint any day, including vacations, for the hearing of cases or the hearing of causes or matters as circumstances require. Until the chief justice, me appoint judge be as any day be no on ten as me so even say vacation chief justice it me appoint to be 1-2 or see the sittings of the court shall be for such hours as the chief justice shall direct. And the chief justice of the country and the betche say okay court to vacation in same way there Montana so and that order 79 rule 11 sa na ekire edi lawyer Atta Akyea read only the rule 1 no oja na aka ni nyina wase and na all dey making argument one how NP before they play jandam every day edi say one kokrosieke a or the way all the journalists what didn't know say what to aso kwa ekire say chief justice ebetimi afre assembly at any given time ya even say court of vacation now they can question court of vacation okoku nipa enti yemnya nipa manenka lawyer Atta Akyea lawyer now will represent only a client no who na wo be kire Ghana judiciary ni nyina ne ya omonye NPP party na agu na me be bo video be kire NPP acting chairman national chairman no what say NPP party
Shamak Israel Yehowa
NPP party
Shamak Israel Yehowa
na munya Ghana for biem
Minya Ghana ni bio
NPP national acting chairman if any chairman Bute say mpese meka ode wangaza for wasuntie the acting national chairman of NPP chairman Bute akotene TV so ene radio so ene
Express Road Kumasi to Accra and MPP na dey ma contract
me say we no want
contract assembly na so can say
me say Francis ma boni pedi wo so say wo friend Francis one na minister for friend say rules or the woman dey ma contract
what dey ma contract am what dey ma contract what dey ma contract why
wa go be interrogate
chairman for money I
got you be o be interrogate the way you
no chairman
that is why
listen ebia na refi hu say me no kasa radio we are enyebe radio so na o kasa. Do you get it? And a Ghana na yes.
What I know, and I make a show.
So and then nipa no cancer asem na chiro no, Mr. Obi se mu biem ansa na bia wako kan baby. Say Express Road. MPP na dem Accra to Kumasi. Yes. To
Accra contract da bay.
And the MPP na dem contract.
Me say we no want contract.
So asem na so kan say.
Me say Francis ma boni pedi wo so say wo friend. Francis one na minister for friend say rules or the woman dey ma contract.
Mo dem contract am. O de ade ma contractor. O de ma contractor why?
Well, I go by interrogate.
Chairman komo na ye di una wo say tete.
I got you be o be interrogating the way you say na everything.
But you are lying.
I'm not lying, please.
No, chairman.
That is why.
Listen,
I'm not referring.
Listen. Ebia na refi won say me no kasa radio so. We are enyebe ye radio so na o kasa. Do you get it? And a Ghana na yes.
What I know and I make a show.
And the nipa no kasa asem na chiro no, Mr. Ko bi se mu biem ansa na bia wako kan baby. Say Express Road. MPP na dem Accra to Kumasi.
Yes.
Hey. Men can say mo ye do a carriage from Ahadi Amasaman Road you. Men can say the new Express Road.
I don't know. You can't make as one kind of slow here. Mr. Busasu, Fredo. Oh, the number Fredo. I the Oma can Parliament can still out down Fredo as I saw on the end of the contract. Fredo. I mean.
But the assessor catcher say Batman Pia catcher, the former road minister,
yes.
The former works and housing minister catcher say Express Road.
Yeah, they don't.
Only so could never be catch on Kabibia Sancho, chairman a ye mount.
Oh, sir,
because you need evidence I remember on Tessa and Pauna can reach them. Why are you doing this?
na indi waka che me
Ghana for do baby on the party na
cause me twa na say and now me try picture na me fa me tro say waka che me asa no waje di aden ni nipa be ba be mama obi edi zone boy aden mama yi ata amokwata di
nti mo nam na mo keka say kire
me say aden mama amokwata di
your mama nyanwi o otiase the whole national chairman of NPP say Accra Kumasi Expressway na ye nyanye no also o na dem contract your mama nwuye ye nwuye tiase asenso wachi na obonidi no wrote a letter to send a menu okay to kick against it or say asenso wachi kan kire ne say your NPP for and I started Accra Kumasi Expressway NPP
Shamak Israel Yehovah. Elahenu Yehovah Ekat. Order in the court.
Yeah, some NPP party, maybe a party na do. Na eche ikuri. And some of them now no obi bisa me say when ada na ya na ye bobo sa ngrofo video na me say chale. Say one man matim emufo na nhu a emfuturo nkrofo etugu amamfo ani no. Now do you know why the chairman is doing that? NPP ni bia futu odema NPP for. Or say when you are in opposition nya no kore na ese oka e futuru na ese oto digu amamfo ani.
Is putting fear in our men. They are arresting TikTokers, social media people, communicators. There are things our communicators are saying. If you are a general secretary, week after week, you must set the agenda for the NDC to come and defend. We are in opposition. We don't need facts. We need to propagate. We need to propagate. 1.5 years in opposition. The party is in parliament. There's no problem. But in parliament, it's a house of records. And as someone down, it is not a place of records. It is a place of propaganda. So, if you speak as an opposition general secretary, national security must meet. Hello, bloggers. This one is not for you.
There be bloggers in fact. Say, what share that say we encoding through or say parliament the house of records. No more tisi in chain there. Any house of records. You got na radio so din through. You got na TV so a propaganda. Eno monkoye. Let me say, hey, na we are the niaba.
Order in the court.
NPP for. Yeah, so I mean, can messages about now court now we they do them say kukuro asemasi.
Order in the court.
No, Bob say they keep insulting Ghanaians intelligence. Charlie, akwana na enye NPP ni bia keke kan. The national chairman of NPP or say Accra Kumasi Expressway no NPP for ne. Hey, my guess, how can a grown-up man lie like this? On found could was a Accra Kumasi Expressway no NPP na dem contract. Contract about the man was anyone may miss a question no. Zigma, Charlie, and Trono Dawson in NPP. And Tro, NPP. I would have done coupon. Hey, Omodin Tros, you don't need facts, you need to propagate. What or say NPP party there. That is how they lie. International chairman we are got on the TV so catch it or say TV no so they will say any house of records. How they would do Trobia or Pebia. We didn't throw near Befa. If an NPP looks up you might as well look down instead of your own safety. Of course, because if you don't check the way NPP for your politics now, it will confuse you. And that is why they have to be in opposition for so many years. What I say? Because Niamano Moyeno, again. Rico said, I can't believe the fake NPP claiming the ownership of the introductory of the Accra Kumasi Expressway. I think they better go and finish the Sawa and all the hospitals left in the bushes. Severe hospital, no. Charlie, Rico said, lies never leave them now. And that is how they've been operating. I said the president looks speechless sometimes because they say nipa the seni betra when him na abana wodin through say ya Edi asempa na office obit me catch no. The only thing obit me answer Charlie. Over here is I know ma na di trust Good evening, my brother. It's me, Badu. Please call me after the show if possible. Medase, I'll call you back, Badu. We have a call there. Medase. Oh yeah, dear pa. Someone to me joining your live. So I know that we are mobile say actually. Now go na the one. All right. Untumi de chale udi untumi echi a nsem no beba bebre untumi de nsem nkwa ni papa na se bitimi di ntro NPP as a political party amabien say ade efe no nokre omonka bi da Mame George Nabafo say I pray these liars stay in opposition forever and ever without given the chance to come to power again. They are liars and criminals. Exactly, these are the words I think that we need to use on them because BBN Obima, you bet me I can't chat on Mobim. Sana Agrono etie. Mama, young query now maybe a phone lines natum very soon. Number near +358 4653 7264 maybe atum na fide edi nkomo enso ewo ho. Now among Troy Omudi and John Bodu as I go cancel for John Bodu akwa nsem that what there. Me so say ba omi ho den say be good in soon. Now, Trono Mudi Nano, a Pro Max.
Before you can win the presidency, before His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia can become president, we must get majority of MPs in parliament. That makes the presidency a bonus for the New Patriotic Party. We have 87. It means we must win all the 87. In addition to winning all the 87, we must win 53 from our opponents. In addition to the 87, mind you, the 87 that you have, the presidency won 77 out of the 87. What it means that you enjoy from skirt and blouse from your opponents
in other constituencies.
So if they galvanize, they put themselves together. You are going to lose 10. So you don't still have the 87. You have 77. Give or take, if they do their best and they take even 7, you have 80. It means that we must now get 60 from our opponents. This one, there must be deliberate targeting.
There must be deliberate targeting. Your body say anything about me about power. That they should focus on parliamentary. Or say parliament no kwa no. Enye fosa. Say on be ne. Na I'm saying I say nemu. Say wa jetum say apart from deliberate targeting no. Enya de agitated be papa obiem dia na say ne asem agore na san we fe ni tinton tan show anami na meboa tinton tan show ti John Bodu say agitated the power pa fe power de enya de obo bibiem enya me na make kan John Bodu na ka oso pe national chairman edi o say so mo we ni omo 86 ni na mo say ko we ni NDC dudo na be 77 be kan o omo we ni we are then they get the muscles and say no matimi akoka say agitated betimi be president. I'm saying, hey, any John more do my own. Now, when I'm over here, and the man at deliberate targeting, we can do her. He said, no one I was for me. Deliberate targeting, we pa obey idiot. And easy. Any more do my a Juma pen before what here, Charlie, you could. And to be beautiful lines into my Charlie, now do I venture about there's something I want us to also discuss and send my beautiful lines, Natum. Ghana, it I can. I am Tromo Pro Max pa share. Abena board was in Tromo Pro Max. Chatter baby. I'm gonna do something before I open the phone lines. There is something going on in Ghana. Na sahani mano se Ghana ya nye careful our own existence no. So I wanted to be very quick on this. Market women in Ghana can sembi wo man no machale uhubia eno amenu bi free show yi so can kire me so no on oda nuane wo Ghana because galamsey in Ghana for the target omo ena be kan kire say da bi galamsey no wa otia ma no na wudi African food bi an de also account mesere mo Ghana for etia ma no ne no mama yentiki health yi because I the way amount we abrochi no me dwuma mentia say before I started the show there's this woman I've been seeing her on TikTok. It's a friend say sexy video today. Mati say batwana nano monsiedo. Very quick because I just saw her video. I think yesterday or something like that. Ghana for a chairman no. Mama yenhwe You're sitting money, you're pomodin a year. But the moment you start to say, when a Ghana for a galam say a factor, there be a Adrian be a cabia. What's your Aboriginal, dear Aboriginal, Africa, Adrian, and quite the account. See, some market women, Eka.
Say, may catch that by say. Yenny, you told me, animal. Bordia, Quadu, Amango, and Casa, fruit to near Mano. Omu wa drobi to say, Adia Kitami. Where and so, Omu the good to say ya. Na abria de no wodi a na woyem eti kidri ni nyina no dodo na afiri saa ne ma no eti yesra ban baabi asa enuro no free ba no o ma enuro ni san ko back baabi o mo kra baabi o mo hwehwem no mo ma saa enuro ni nyina enko back sa se amwa ye enema bebre wodwa so a saa ne ma no frefre mu bet amwa ye yesre se ye pe ya hoɔden pa de a momre dwom na mo nsentare na mo nsada amene nti dwom sade mo ye investigation na mo hwehwɛ saa ne ma no de ye kan na mo behu ne nyina e pa mo kyɛw ene to so biem mimi pese tankase na ye adwuma tete mire mu no ensanya adwuma se tankase ba me fie no be samame oba me fichire no be samame oba dwom no be samame ya o kyena bola me mfesi ho ade achi na me da achi defu a medo mentwe ma aban na eba be do ama me ne nso be yira fa me eti mesre tankase no aban o ma ne samra na dodo na to body no ba ko no oye ni se na wodi egu ho ade obachi no na body no abre ese wotu oduboni a ebi ka wa no kwadu yaya ne sa amango yaya ne sa anka yaya ne sa wo wan to no nana no akọ school no atobi oba no akọ school no atobi minka mama samunwa me baba ma wo store yi mu oto akwadu kwa ma ne ba wo fie okwa na bofra nada eti papa ne team yenu no no adi ye me wo fie na bo be 11 ne efre me say o se ne yam ana me se kodwo ye chako pada ne nom ye ko wie afa ya mani nsuo 8 doctor say kwadu na odi ye no poison ewom kwadu no ya pete so ye fancy da so mi busam panimfo say adro no hwan na kraba oman no mu adro no hwan na kra adro no aba oman no ya digu makoso ya digu nyado aso aniama bebre enti ye market fo no ye ni awudi fo ya baako because aniama no ya poison dada sa enuro no mpanimfo mo animu a ye hia bia mu Ghana ye sramo babia efri babia mo nsama ne nko na yen sane ne ye adwuma ne tete mire mu no ya hima afo ni omuhwa ye me ye ne pepepe ye sramo na kidri yare na aban enam sania ma weso ena amana ba yesramo ahubrasiamo ya pamochaw munwu ya mabo edro na ma magati ni ba won kwato meyusu eti ma edro ne ma afesu pamochaw afesu yesramo omo say eye poison madam okoya omo say enye poison nanso bodia no wamu ye no abiri a wamu ni wamu no amoton no wamu ni bi nanso wodi a wo ba wo beton wamu wakodi
well ene bi die boga ene so yasene number die adwuma ne +358 465372 649 asem ebiem se woni mo bi oba betwere nursing exam NMC exams are Man visit nurseprepghana.online www.nurseprepghana.online ubetimi afre our number here that's screen so +358 465372 649 abena bodo as uncle Munufie we are dying slowly Charlie have you before I just came to the studio I just check on TikTok and I say Sally didn't finish a sexy videos and then just say and one simple as that abruchiri fo nyina se ya niema na ye wo Ghana ho no hwan na ye na se de se eso hwe ensu a ye nom